resumed. Mr Chairman.
Mr Speaker, the Committee on the Children, Young Persons and Their Families, Youth Courts, Jurisdiction and Orders Amendment Bill and reports progress. The Committee on the Judicial Matters Bill reports no progress. Mr Speaker, I move that the reports be adopted.
The question is that the report be adopted. Those of that opinion will say aye. To the contrary, no. The ayes have it. These bills are set down for further consideration next sitting day. Time has come for the House to be adjourned, so the House stands adjourned until 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Live coverage from the House of Representatives has concluded. Coming up at 10 p.m. is a repeat of today's Question Time.